What's up, my man? Everything is good? How's your family, brother? What's going on in the US, bro? I'm watching the news. Everywhere fucked up. They say pandemia.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into this vid, you already know. Yo, and while we're doing that, right after you finish or before, hit me off with 400 likes on this joint, man. I appreciate it. And let's I can get appreciate it.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, can't do that again. But anyway, yo. So today's brew is the Boom Boom IPA from Bronx Brewery. This sounds like an interesting beer, right? Yeah, the 8.1. If you saw a beer called the Boom Boom IPA, you want to drink it, right?
Hell yeah, you'd want to. Yeah, you'd want to.
Damn, I thought this was the no res. No wonder. Okay, I'm not really this is like one of those high alcohol content brews that don't really taste that great. Let me see. Cause I thought this whole time that this was the no res.
Well, you thought wrong.
I do like the no res. I think that's around like a 7 something. And my bad, homie. I remember somebody emailed me. I forgot, I was lazy. I got the Double Dog IPA from ShopRite on, I don't know, ShopRite around Soundview area. That's where I got that joint from. But anyway, yo, salud. No, it's not that bad. Like I said again, oh, and I got this one from there as well. So this is from Bronx Brewery, the Boom Boom IPA. I rock with Bronx Brewery beers. I've been to Bronx Brewery, matter of fact, the joint straight. But anyway, hey. Gotta talk about my new jacket. Nah, yo, I actually had this joint since 2009, 2010. I got it when I was in Shank, Fob Shank. If anybody knows, y'all know I was a contractor out in Afghanistan for 3.5 years. Did 1 year in Kuwait. But anyway, while I was over there, I got cool. It was really from my homeboy Hassan. He worked with me. He's from Uzbekistan. He's doing pretty well over there now. You know what I'm saying? But that was my guy. Yo, the plug for real. You know what I'm saying? Yo, he linked me with Czechs, the Czech Republic soldiers. Hell, Romanian Special Forces, and that's how we'll get into that in a second. But anyway, yeah, so we befriended this dude. His name was George. He was in the Czech army too. He was the medic, an officer. So we used to kick it with him. We would drink. He had some chicks, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we would kick it with them too. But my favorite Czech soldier was this captain. And what I used to do was every time the new unit was gonna come in, like, and the old one was gonna phase out, me and my man Haas, we would go around and he would tell them that I always take pictures with the Czech women soldiers, and they used to be with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, but yo, that captain was like my favorite, like, word. Hell yeah. But yeah, we used to kick it with these other two. I forgot the names, but no, I ain't even gonna sit up here and say, you know, boy, man. But you should put me down with 2 sets of these joints. I got another set down in the Ville. I don't know if I kept the pants though. I don't know, but she put me down with these and New Balances. I was rocking when I was over there, yeah. But so now with a special, and we can get into the joint. Don't worry about it, man. I just miss y'all, you know. When the Romanian Special Forces came into play was their vehicles didn't get checked. Well, I shouldn't say that. Yeah, we used to get the drinks from them. Yeah. You just put it like that. Yeah, and boy, me and my man, and this is more than any type of shipment that can come from over. It's like a box or something. Yo, we used to, like, I remember at one point, my man, we would get, I didn't really like having beer too much because that left a trail, because what you gonna do with the can? I would get 12 cases of brews, Tuborg, that was the name of the beer. I would get 12 cases of that, he would get 12 cases, and we would get Palenka. It's like a Romanian moonshine. Bro, I wasn't spending none of my checks. Like, I was straight, because you're not supposed to have any drink over there, like, at all. But I never got hemmed up. But if you was really, like, smart and you ever saw like a whole bunch of water out by my bee hut, that means that I was really, you know what I'm saying, I was getting the cases. I don't know if y'all ever contracted or been overseas before, but you know we get free water bottles, like they come in a case. So I'll grab them water bottles, I start pouring them joints out, I leave about this much drink up in there, you know, or water up in there. You know what I'm saying? If you have a problem, go somewhere else.
Man, where am I gonna go, man?
Nah, it was all good, man. That was the spot. I think at that time, you could only pull out like $350 a month. Like, US dollars from the little banks that we had. It wasn't really a bank, it was like finance. And I remember once I deposited 2,500.
You can change that, right?
You know what I'm saying? Like, just that was money to be made with that. But then they, long story short, they sent me to another base. At that time, then I was like, I jumped ship.
Adios, amigo!
I went to another company because I was like, well, I would stay at that base for the lower pay because I was good, chilling, you know what I'm saying, and getting. But I was like, that you ain't gonna send me some country ass base, and you know I can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Nah, you got f***ed up. But I remember when I went to that other base, it was this cat. Matter of fact, he used to work with my pops, and I didn't even know him. He used to work with my pops in the Ville, and I remember when he met me, he was like, "Yo, I'm gonna tell you like this base right here. I don't know if you into drinking." But ain't none of that. I looked at him, I said, oh, yo, I got 40 bottles of liquor in my, whatever, the tough box or whatever. I stalled before they shipped me out. I stalled until the till the Romanians came through, got my line. He was like, what you said?
Do I stutter, motherfucker?
I was booming them for the 45. Man, I used to have so much drink, word up. Like, I remember on 2 occasions, like, accidentally brushing my teeth with the joint. Hell, he said when he cleaned out my because we stayed in the B house. He said when he cleaned out my room, because I just left. Like, when I left. He said when he cleaned out my room, he's like, yo, good looking out. You had another bottle underneath the bed. I had so many water bottles, I would mistake them. You know what I'm saying? Like, word. Boy, that was the days. But anyway, man, but yeah, so that's how I got this jacket, man. I finally broke this bitch out. But yeah, that was good joint, man. Check. Special for the Czech soldiers, man. Yeah. Good times, man. Good times. Shout out to my brother Haas, man. That was my guy, word up. But anyway, let me get another sip and we're gonna get into this. Word. Well, alright.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, one last thing. Let me flip this. Another thing about yo, I used to be trying to be chilling with the Czech so hard. I used to even go to their gym and work out. Me and Haas did. I just used to skip on like ab days and stuff like that. But nah, they had the real joint. But I used to be kind of weary at first because they that Eastern Bloc, you know, is a little different. But nah, for the most part, they was cool. Go up in the gym, cloppy, chow, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. But anyway, man, yo, I got this package in from about over a week ago. I've been bullshitting on opening it up. I got it in from Stockx. I think I was bored and had a little extra coin to play with. Speaking of extra coin, here's something about a stimulus check. Stimulus check. Yeah, give me them 12. Hopefully, they acknowledge Junior and I can get that extra little 5 for him. Send him 50, you know.
Let's see about motherfucker.
But yo, yeah, man. So boom, got these joints from Stockx. Jesus, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, had to get another pair. Got these joints under retail. Let me set up right here so I can do the best thumbnail that I can. You know what I'm saying? Looking all surprised. Y'all not gonna know what the thumbnail is, but anyway, just gonna get it in the joint. Okay, the box, but let's just hope that they're real. They'll be real if they got the Stockx the tag. Oh. Anyway, damn. Alright, so. Oh yeah, he's real. Oh yeah. So yo, I got the what is this? Oh, okay, I'm about to say. I thought this was like some Chinese site telling me about a Louis bag. I'm about to be like, oh man, yo, really? But anyway, yeah, man, got the analog joints. My bad. Hold up. I'm about to adjust the light. But oh yeah, they real. But yeah, man, got them analogs. I am not doing a review. We just gonna go straight to the on foot. That's it. Because hell, I don't even know what I'm reviewing. The reason why I got these joints is they size 10. Let me see. I want to check out the box right quick. Bam, size 10. Yeezy 700 Boost, whatever. Reason I got these joints is the first thing I thought about these when they first originally dropped. I was like, damn, yo, I could rock like some Yankee gear with this. And this colorway, you can rock like a lot of things. You see? All right, boom. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can rock like a lot of things. Don't worry, I'm gonna show some other B-roll with the other joints, but hell yeah. I kept going back and forth about it, and I ended up paying like, I think with taxes and everything, yo, that extra tax be crazy. I paid like $273 for these joints, which were under retail. I guess nobody really liked these joints. Nothing special about them, just a sneak that I feel like I could just throw on the spur of some shit, you know what I'm saying? Word, yeah, but still my favorites are the Wave Runners. Anyway, let me know if you have got these joints. It was out of these and the Salts, what I was looking at. Damn, man, damn tags. Nah, I'm playing. I ain't even gonna rock it with the tag. But anyway, it was out of these and the salts. I decided to get these. I've also been looking, man, let me know. I've been looking at the Hospital Blues too. They look alright, but then I keep changing my mind on them joints. I don't know. Now, I have to get a size 10 just like I do with my, like some ones or some foam posits. Because, yo, the front of these joints, I don't know if y'all never rocked them. Oh, it's Crunch City. But anyway, man, I need this. Get rid of this too. So now they are officially mine and can't be returned. Well, they can't be returned. Let me know, man. Y'all got these joints or if not? Like I said, my first fit though, one of my ideas, well, we ain't gonna have a baseball season.
We don't know that.
I was like, yeah, man, I'm gonna throw on like, throw my Yankee jersey on with this, go out comfortable and shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, I did want a sneak like this. I don't know, probably people like, yo, you could've just got some white Air Force Ones. I'm gonna get them joints too. You know what I'm saying? The lows though, the lows, yeah. But yeah, man, these joints right here. So we about to get into that on foot. Let me just get a little sip and get y'all up out of here. Yeah, man, so I'm kinda happy with this pickup. But man, hey man, everybody, yo, just keep the faith, man.
For once in my life.
That I will say that.
They go that Earl nigga.
Hey, let me just put it like this. If y'all got more than one person in the crib, yo, it's a blessing. Yo, count your blessings, nigga. I be so bored. I be hitting up old joints, like, yo, what you doing?
What do you want?
Trying to keep the conversation going, like, damn, how your mother? You know what I'm saying? I ain't never met her. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that shit is wild. But man, yo, just keep the faith, man. I'm hearing that we're gonna hit the peak. New York's gonna hit our peak in 21 days. Okay.
You need to go home. You drunk on that King Kong.
But it's all good. Yeah, man. Like I said, I'm about to get on this on foot. Top 5 best on foot on YouTube. We gotta light this up a bit. Alright, so I'm about to get up out of here. I wanna shout out everybody that's been liking my joints, commenting. Shout out to the Wave Mob, word up. Got some more videos coming. Do I got any sneaks coming? I don't know. I'm still teetering, but I got some more joints coming through. Got another video. You already know how it's gonna go, and I'm gonna do a what would I rock on the Jordan 1 Court Purples. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not ready to leave you guys. I wanna tell you another story.
I done told you! Take your drunk ass home!
But yo, I'm about to get up out of here, y'all. Know, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be? But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Store at your beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
I don't never feel like I'm underrated. First of all, everything I got, I worked for. I wasn't given to me. You know what I'm saying? And you just gotta keep working hard.
Hey. Yeah. How we looking now? How we looking? You be talking
How
to
we
me, motherfucker.
looking?
I'm looking, bitch. Let's go.
Them songs don't talk about without you not to say shit. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cooked it. How we looking? Them songs on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it, where the cookies, I just cooked it. How we looking? Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a package, now I'm happy. Bite my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, scrubs, let it squeeze still. Slice it stored out, nigga be still. I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hoe, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, 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 then I reload. Them songs don't talk about without you not to say shit. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cooked it. How we looking? Them songs on my block and they all filled with payments. Ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it, where the cookies, I just cooked it. How we live, I don't care. I spent it right on some dope shit. Give me a minute while I finish all of this rosé. Knocking like who damn, that's your booty, I let her rotate. I'm in my woo wear, I feel like Ghostface. I whip Ferrari out, Mari, I'm making folks say. I get your body, you beside me, he beat the whole case. I told my lean-man that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole case. I told my lean-man that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole case. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so fat. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so great. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say shit. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistook, where the cook at? I just cook it, how we lookin'? Dumb jumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cookin'? Where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Cause I'm on a I just let my hood see, poppin' cause the hood breeze. Texas coming in now, I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down, seen all what the hood brings. Talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking, Ain't tryna put me on, man, then I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit 'em with a nice floor, this is how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I want my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gon' be on standby. Very by landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. Early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh, bombs leave me alone.
Let me tell you something, he's the best. Like fuck that. That nigga let you know every verse.
That's me, bro.
Whoa.